Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So first off, I want to wish everybody happy Veterans Day and shout out to all my other grunts out there. Anyway, I'm out here in the Nevada desert doing some shooting. So we've got some oldies but goodies, but as you can see from the thumbnail, we're gonna be shooting this thing today. So this is just a little cannon. It's like eight or 9 inches, I think. But this is a Dikar. You can kind of see it's missing some of its lettering there, but this is 45 caliber. So I have an 1860 Army, not with me today, but I'm gonna use round balls in that from that. So these are 457 balls. I've got some patches. I'm going to be using some 2F GoX regular black powder today. I got some cannon fuse, so I think there's not a lot of videos on these things. There's a lot of YouTube shorts, so I thought I'd do a better video of this thing. So I'm going to load this with 15 grains. Anything more than that with a round ball in there, it has a tendency to flip over. So, but let me set this camera up on the tripod. Okay, so when you load these things, you gotta start off with some cannon fuse, and we're just gonna cut ourselves off a piece here. Just a couple inches is all you really need. You know, there's no set size, so that's the piece I cut. We're gonna put this in here first. Now you want to make sure that your fuse covers the hole, otherwise you lose pressure out of there. But so we've got it. I pushed it all the way down. I've got some 2F powder here. You could probably use Pyrodex and 777 Swiss, you know, but this is 2F GoX. This is what I have. So I've got a 15 grain measure here. Yep, 15 grains. We'll load this up. I don't know a whole lot about these cannons, so, or the history of this. I don't know how old it is. There's no serial numbers on it. So if anybody has any information, please put those in the comments. I'd like to hear those. So once you have your powder in your measure, just pour it in. Set that aside. Then I'm going to take a wad. I'm going to put a wad in there. Now I'm using my blunderbuss because I've got 45 caliber on one side. And we're gonna put a ball in there. And I've got a ball starter, and you might need one of these. And then I gotta finish it with this because that's just not long enough. You want to seat that down. And now it's ready to shoot. So let me move you guys around. We'll get this set up out there. And okay, so I've got it set up here. You can see that yellow shell there. That's a 20 gauge, you know, so you can kind of see the size difference. And I've got some trash up there. It's probably a little far for this, but you know, we'll see if we can hit something. I don't expect us to, but let's light it off. I've got my fire stick here, and there we go. Well, I don't know if we hit anything, but you can see how far back it went. Maybe y'all saw it on the video. I didn't see it. Of course, I wasn't really watching. So that was fun. What do you say we load this up again? And okay, so here's our second go around. Yes! We got it. Did you guys hear that smack? I'm not sure if it was the lawnmower or that swamp cooler, but we definitely got it. So what do y'all think? This thing's pretty fun, isn't it? So that's gonna do it for this video. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Let's shoot this again. That's fun. Okay, we're about to do this again. Y'all ready? If I can get my, there we go. Watch the target. Well, I don't think we hit anything, but we managed to flip her over. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. This little cannon is fun. If you guys can pick one up, hey, it's a good noise maker. You don't have to put a round ball in it. You can just make some noise. See you next time.